Are you tired of scrubbing your floors and still finding dust in the corners? Today we're ranking the best robot vacuums with mopping and self-emptying stations. From the most basic to the fully hands-off dream machines. Let's kick things off with the AZQQ S6 Pro, a solid entry-level option that covers the basics but doesn't quite hit the wow factor. It's sitting at the bottom of our list, but that doesn't mean it's useless. Far from it. This vacuum delivers decent suction, maps your home with LiDAR, and offers a decent runtime of 150 minutes, which is actually pretty good. If you're mainly after something affordable that'll handle routine vacuuming and mopping without too much babysitting, the AZQQ does the job. It has 4 suction levels, 3 mopping intensities, and even boosts suction automatically when it senses carpet. The 3-liter self-emptying bag saves you from constantly emptying it out, and you can set no-go and no mop zones in the app. Now, here's where the limitations show. There's no mop lift, which means it might drag a wet mop over your carpet if you forget to block those zones. Also, the mop itself is passive. No scrubbing action, no self-cleaning. It's simple and effective, but nowhere near the level of automation we'll see in higher-end models. So if you live in a smaller space or just want a starter robot that won't empty your wallet, this one works. But if you want more tech and more freedom, keep watching. The next few picks get way more interesting. And by the way, links to all the products in this review at the best prices are in the description below. Next up, we've got the uninell UR3 coming in just ahead of the AZQQ. These two are close, but the UR3 wins on runtime and bin capacity. It can go for up to 180 minutes and holds more debris before needing a bag change. If you've got a bigger home, this could make a real difference. Its navigation is also LiDAR based, with saved maps and customizable zones, just like the AZQQ, but it handles larger spaces better, and the build feels slightly more robust. You get 3.5 liters of dust storage and a smart app experience that lets you fine-tune your cleaning preferences with ease. That said, the flaws are similar. There's still no mop lift, no active scrubbing, and no automatic mop cleaning. You'll need to remove and wash the mop manually, and it can still wet your carpet if you're not careful. Plus, there's no HEPA filter, which might matter if allergies are a concern. Overall, the uninell UR3 is a slight upgrade in practicality and storage, and a solid mid-tier option. If the AZQQ is your starter car, the UR3 is the base model with a few nice extras. If this comparison has been helpful so far, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives like this one. In third place, the Eureka NERE20PLUS jumps ahead with a huge suction boost, 8,000 Pascal, and a smarter, bagless, self-emptying system that's easier to manage long-term. This one strikes a strong balance between performance and value, especially for pet owners or anyone dealing with heavy dirt or hair. It uses AI-driven obstacle avoidance and has a mop that lifts automatically when it senses carpet, a massive step up from the last two. Plus, it runs for up to 3 hours on a single charge. You don't have to buy disposable bags, and the multi-stage filtration helps keep allergens at bay. But it's not perfect. The mop is still passive. It just drags a wet pad over your floor, and there's no self-wash or drying feature. It handles carpeted areas better than the AZQQ or UR3, but you'll still need to clean that mop manually. If you're looking for excellent suction and smarter cleaning without going full luxury, the Eureka is the way to go. It's reliable, powerful, and gives you a taste of higher-end features. Now we're getting into serious hands-off territory. The Roomba Combo Plus, 405 steps up with automatic mop cleaning and drying. Yes, it actually washes and dries its mop pads after each cycle. You also get Roomba's signature dual spinning mops and reliable LiDAR-based mapping. While its suction rating isn't clearly advertised, real-world use shows it performs well on both hard floors and carpets. It lifts its mop when rolling over rugs, has decent runtime, and can store multi-room maps for customized cleaning sessions. Downsides? It's not quite as smart at avoiding small objects as some competitors, and the water flow levels are a bit basic. You might end up with slightly wetter floors than you'd like. Also, the debris bag system means recurring costs over time. Still, this is a big leap in convenience. If you want a robot that can vacuum and mop while also managing its own pads, this is a great choice, especially if you're already part of the iRobot ecosystem. And finally, at the top of the list, the Shark RV2820YE. This robot is the most advanced and hands-off option here. Not only does it empty its dustbin, refill its own water, and wash and dry the mop pad, it even extends its mop pad for better edge cleaning. That's some next level polish. Its 3D obstacle avoidance system is one of the smartest out there, navigating around socks, toys, and cables like a pro. The mop lifts when on carpet, it filters allergens with a HEPA grade system, and it needs almost zero daily interaction once set up. Seriously, it's like having a tiny cleaning butler living in your home. The only real cons are its size. It's a bit bulky and may not fit under low furniture, and its price tag, which definitely reflects all the tech packed inside. It's an investment, but for people who want a truly self-maintaining system, this is it. If you want to set it and forget it, the Shark RV2820YE is the best robot vacuum mop combo out there today. No question. That wraps up our full comparison. Don't forget, links to the best deals on all the models we covered are right below in the video description. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more smart home reviews just like this one.